I've always loved the flavor of ginger. Spicy and pungent, it is delicious in tea form and almost completely cuts the bitterness of vegetables in fresh juices and smoothies. And while I've always known it's frequently used to aid digestion, I will humbly admit I had no idea the spice boasts such a sprawling list of medicinal benefits. The experts say ginger root is a stellar anti-inflammatory, improves heart health, eases nausea and motion sickness, helps expel free radicals from the body, and is even linked with lowering cholesterol. If the spicy root has this much power, I just had to test it out. I decided to consume fresh ginger every day for 7 days. While there are many ways to consume it, I opted to head straight to my juicer each morning for a ginger and lemon shot and continued my ritual with a cup of homemade ginger tea at night. Whipping up the tea is easy. You simply pour a cup of boiling water over a hunk of raw ginger and let it sit for a few minutes. I almost immediately noticed its digestive powers. I'm a huge advocate of the benefits of weight training for women, and I tend to push myself pretty hard in the gym. By midweek, I noticed that my onset soreness, while still present, felt noticeably milder than usual. Here I have prepared a list of the 7 things that happen when you include ginger in your daily routine. No more acid refluxes. The nasty acid reflux hits you like anytime and anywhere. But with regular consumption of ginger, this won't affect you so much and so often. Active substances in ginger are found in acid reflux medicines too. Hence, ginger is safer and chemical-free treatment for this condition. And what's more, regular consumption of this root will protect you from this condition altogether. All you need is a cup of ginger tea once a day or a few juliennes of the same in your food to avoid acid refluxes altogether. Anti-inflammatory properties. For people suffering from joint inflammation, ginger is the perfect solution. Gingerol, a substance found in ginger, is loaded with anti-inflammatory properties which reduces pain and discomfort in the joints and improves overall functionality. And this one is present in large quantities in ginger, so only a small portion of the same in one serving of food would do for you. An end to morning sickness. Morning sickness is one of the most upsetting symptoms during the first trimester of pregnancy. Nausea and vomiting right at the beginning of the day can be very distressing. In such a situation, ginger can be an excellent remedy. If your physician gives a green signal, you can make use of this root to curb morning sickness. Fighting cancer cells. Ginger is faster and much safer in killing cancer cells as compared to the platinum-based chemotherapy drugs which are prescribed to ovarian cancer patients. It was also found that ginger is a powerful remedy for preventing colon and intestinal inflammation. Improved digestion. While discussing the benefits of ginger, you simply can't miss its benefits for the gastrointestinal system. For people who suffer from digestive distress very often, ginger is the perfect remedy and should be included in the daily routine. Indigestion. An end to headaches. Headaches occur very often. It is the most frequently reported ailment for the general populace, and people usually opt for medication to get instant relief from this condition. But what if we told you that there is a better, non-medical way of putting an end to headaches altogether? Yes, there is a solution, and it's ginger. Daily consumption of ginger can prevent headaches altogether. Weight loss. With the increasing incidence of obesity, weight loss has become a priority. If you have tried all sorts of diets and workout regimens and nothing worked quite well for you, try incorporating ginger into your diet. Ginger is a great way to reactivate your body metabolism so you can come back to the normal figure. It also helps in keeping you full for longer so you do not end up consuming too many calories in a go. If you like this video, then don't forget to share and subscribe our channel.